I think our whānau need more support with addiction services. I've had whānau who have been addicted to drugs and alcohol. Personally, I've been through that in terms of trying to support a whānau member who struggled with that for a number of years, and trying to get him support took a long time to get him into the system and into a program itself. And so while my whānau member has been enrolled into that program twice, I feel that we need a more responsive way to deal with not only those who have addictions, but also some support around the whānau at home.